So it's basically that time of the year when a lot of children come down with heat rash, and this is due to change in weather condition. And this weather condition tends to increase the temperature generally, making the room and where we keep our babies warmer than usual. And again, children involved in a lot of activities like crawling, jumping here and there, and all this increases their body temperature, leading to this heat rash. So, welcome to my YouTube channel today. My name is Joy, and this is Life and Babies, where we talk about children and basically giving you tips and different things that will make your motherhood journey an easy one. Heat rashes occurs due to blockage in the pores of the sweat gland, and in children, the areas affected is usually the neck, the face, the buttocks, and any area where there is skin fold, like this part of their skin and the body in general. So it is important to note that not all rash are heat rash. Yes. So in identifying a heat rash in your baby's skin, you should first know that the bumps appears like that of pimple in an adult. Yeah. It can be clear in color. It can also be red in color. It can at times take the color of your baby's skin. Heat rashes also contain some spots can contain fluid inside of them, and it is itchy, and heat rashes should do not cause fever. Yes, heat rashes do not cause fever. And if properly cared for, heat rashes should disappear within 3 days from the time of appearance. What if I tell you that baby powder do not in any way improve or prevent heat rash? This is because they keep the skin of your baby warm, and they also block the pores of the sweat gland, leading to heat rash. So one way to avoid heat rash in your baby is by avoiding the use of cream, use of powder, use of ointment, especially when the weather condition is warm. You should also try to dress your baby in clothes made of cotton. This is because they are very absorbent, and it helps to keep moisture away from your baby's skin. You should also ensure to use cotton bed linen for your baby. So, as much as possible, allow your baby to go naked. Yes, just put on the diaper and allow him play around without any clothes. That is when you are sure that the weather condition is okay. So you can also buy thermometer, this auxiliary thermometer that you can use and check the temperature of your baby if you are scared. So you should keep the baby well hydrated. For babies less than 6 months that are exclusively breastfed, you should make sure to feed your baby on demand. And for older babies, make sure they have access to water whenever possible. This helps to regulate their body temperature and prevent heat rash in general. So by all means, avoid overdressing your baby. So there's one rule that works perfectly well for me, and that rule is if depending on the weather condition, your baby's clothes shouldn't be one layer more than what you are wearing. So if you are putting on 2 layers of clothes, your baby's own should be three. So if your baby eventually comes down with heat rash, remember to avoid powder, as I said earlier, avoid the use of ointment, avoid the use of cream. And again, by all means, ensure that the environment where your baby is cool and dry. You can achieve this by turning on the AC or by the use of fan. And if you're going to use fan, make sure to position the fan a bit far from your baby. So giving a cool bath is one effective way of treating heat rash. This is because it keeps your baby skin cool and dry. Also, you should ensure to trim their fingernail. This is because heat rash is itchy, and by the time they scratch, they can introduce infection, and this in general worsen the heat rashes. So if you've done all these things and you are not seeing any sign of healing, the rash is not resolving, it is best to seek advice from a medical practitioner. Do not test run creams with your baby's skin. They have fragile skin, and this can worsen the condition in general. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. See you again next time.